To celebrate Father's Day, Reading Pioneers is proud to present Just Grandpa and Me by Mercer Mayer. My mom said I need a new suit. So we went to the city to buy one. Just Grandpa and me. I bought the train tickets, but I let Grandpa pay. The Super Duper leaves at 10:05 sharp. Be on time. Friendly Train Company. I taught Grandpa how to sing 99 bottles of pop on the wall. 99 bottles of pop on the wall, 99 bottles of pop. Take one down, pass it around, 98 bottles of pop on the wall. 98 bottles of pop on the wall, 98 bottles of pop. Take one down, pass it around, 97 bottles of pop on the wall. We went to the big department store. The revolving door went around and around and around. We went around too, just Grandpa and me. I held Grandpa's hand so he wouldn't get lost. He did anyway. Luckily for Grandpa, I found him right away. We took the escalator to the suit department. I told Grandpa to hold on tight to the rail. I looked at all the suits and found just the right one. Then Grandpa helped me choose a shirt and tie. I put on my new suit, and Grandpa said, "You sure look great." Then we went to the movies. I sat close to Grandpa in the scary parts so he wouldn't be afraid. We had supper in a Chinese restaurant. I showed Grandpa how to use chopsticks. Then we got back on the train. Grandpa took a nap, but not me. I couldn't wait for Mom to see my new suit. We were so proud, just Grandpa and me. Thank you everyone for reading along with us to this wonderful story titled Just Grandpa and Me. Many times for Father's Day, grandparents are not recognized for also being parents. So I uploaded this story because I think for Father's Day, grandfathers also deserve some credit for the work that they've put in. I unfortunately never had a grandfather growing up, but my father has now been blessed with 5 grandchildren, and so I can see what a grandfather is like. Comment below your stories of you and your grandfather. Also, if you like this video, click the thumbs up to show your support, and subscribe if you haven't already to keep up to date with all stories being uploaded by Reading Pioneers. Well, that's it for now. So until next time, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye-bye.